ChatGPT is a potent tool that may significantly enhance how business interact with and help their clients. Efficiency can be improved, and time and resources can be freed up for more crucial duties by automating commonly asked queries and giving customized answers. By offering prompt and beneficial assistance, it can also enhance the overall client experience. In this video, we will discuss how ChatGPT can help you build a work-from-home business. This video is going to be very interesting, so make sure you stick till the end. Before we continue to our video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future uploads. Now let's get started. Businesses should make sure ChatGPT is trained on pertinent terminology and content, establish clear usage standards, and continually assess and enhance its effectiveness in order to get the most out of it. Overall, technology has the ability to fundamentally alter how firms run and offer a wealth of growth prospects. A chatbot driven by a language generation model like GPT can generate income, generative pre-trained transformer. Here are some possible methods you could use to do this. Number 1. Make a chatbot that responds to user input by making recommendations or ideas that are specifically tailored to them. You could, for instance, develop a chatbot that gives holiday planning advice or suggests goods and services based on user interests. Number 2. Create a chatbot that responds to inquiries and gives information. You may design a chatbot that informs users about health issues or assists with financial planning, for instance. Number 3. Make a chatbot that assists users with a particular job or service. You could, for instance, develop a chatbot that assists users in making reservations at restaurants or booking flights. Number 4. Create a chatbot that facilitates social interaction or amusement. You could, for instance, develop a chatbot that engages people in games or facilitates friend connections. The benefits of using ChatGPT for business. The use of ChatGPT for business has a number of significant advantages. The most important advantage is improved customer service effectiveness. ChatGPT can assist businesses in saving time and money that would otherwise be spent on manual customer care chores by automating the handling of frequently requested questions and giving prompt, accurate responses to client inquiries. The capacity to manage numerous conversations at once is another advantage. Businesses who receive a lot of client questions may find this to be very helpful, as it enables them to grow their customer service activities more successfully. As it's trained on great amount of data and can produce responses that are personalized to the particular wants and questions of individual consumers, it can also increase the accuracy of the answers. In addition to these advantages, it can enhance overall customer satisfaction by offering prompt, beneficial, and individualized support. Businesses may make sure that clients get the assistance they require when they require it, fostering customer loyalty and trust. Here are a few examples of businesses that you may launch using the ChatGPT. Number 1. Customer service. The new AI chatbot ChatGPT, which OpenAI debuted in December 2022, has a lot to offer corporate clients. It can handle simple chores, reply to customer care requests, and even produce high-quality marketing content. But there are some things to keep in mind. It's crucial to first acknowledge that this chatbot has no state. This implies that it approaches each fresh request as a clean slate. Fortunately, this isn't a terrible thing because it means it can answer your inquiries accurately and promptly. It's also simple to use, with the ability to manage numerous conversations at once. It can assist you free up your staff's time so they can focus on more difficult duties. You won't have to worry about it being false because it also has a natural conversational tone. Number 2, journalism. If you work in journalism, you might think about creating news pieces utilizing ChatGPT. You might have more time to devote to crafting original, interesting material. The artificial intelligence model that powers the ChatGPT bot was developed using a sizable database of conversational text. Even if it isn't fail-safe, it frequently yields conclusions that are sensible and pertinent. In addition, it keeps track of the questions you have asked it to answer and will reply in a voice that sounds normal. Long college essays and intricate Python code have both been written by it. However, several people have criticized it for its shortcomings, including its propensity to misread instructions or provide wrong solutions. Number 3. Code generation. The OpenAI business created the artificial intelligence chatbot known as ChatGPT. The autocomplete text generator GPT 3.5 is the technology's foundation. It's a potent artificial intelligence model that creates computer code, messages, and other information via the internet. It can create a wide range of documents, including computer code and marketing pitches. There has been some interest in the technology. Users have questioned whether it poses a threat to the workforce made up of people. It may be a useful debugging tool, according to some. Some people fear that the technology will cause Google's monopoly over online search to disappear. Others worry that in many industries, it will supplant human skill. Number 4. Side hustle. You should think about starting a side business if you want to supplement your income. The simplest place to start is by engaging in a passion project. But in order to begin, you must first spend time and money. There are a variety of side business concepts to take into account. In addition to blogging, you can work as a virtual assistant. Another excellent option to make extra money is through tutoring. You can offer advice to students individually, assist them with their schoolwork, and respond to their inquiries. These services are continuously in demand. Podcasting is a different, simple side business idea. You can create your own podcasts by using a microphone and software. You will need to market your work and find a solid platform. Both companies and people can use your services. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.